What's the meaning of abruptly? Abruptly. 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 The word abruptly means in a sudden and unexpected way. It can be used to describe a variety of actions, such as a person leaving a conversation, a car stopping in the middle of the road, or a change in the weather. When something happens abruptly, it can be jarring and unexpected, and it can take people a moment to adjust in some cases. An abrupt change can be dangerous, so it is important to be aware of your surroundings and be prepared for the unexpected. Here are some examples of how the word abruptly can be used in a sentence. The meeting ended abruptly when the speaker lost his temper. The car in front of me stopped abruptly, and I had to slam on my brakes to avoid a collision. The weather changed abruptly, and it started to pour rain.